Happy birthday sa kayo, no? Request. What's up mga Chewy? Welcome back to another quarantine video, and today is June 7, 2020, first Sunday of the month, and it's our day 1 here at Buena Vista, Surigao del Sur, where we are to be quarantined for 14 days. I wanted to share to you what happened yesterday and the other day, but unfortunately I wasn't able to film it because it's too risky. There's a lot that happened that day. But here's a compilation of the pictures that we took that day. So this video is all about what is it like to be in the quarantine facility, to be quarantined for 14 days. First up, I'm gonna tour you to our room. Here's to our day 1. So this is the school where we are staying. Now let's go to our room. The next clip might surprise you. So just a disclaimer, guys. The time we arrive at the quarantine facility, it happens that there's no enough room that has divisions to accommodate all of us. So that's why we were placed in this room. Okay? So this is the room where Jason and I are staying, and the rest of the guys are staying. So that's Jason's bed, this is my bed, and the rest of the guys' bed. So we're 7 all in all in this room. We're all from Cebu City. Thank you. It's 9 o'clock in the afternoon, and now we will be having a Zumba. Everyone is excited except some other guys. Go Twillers! Let's drink some milk after jog because it's good for your bones. So I'm sunbathing now. There's the sunlight. Morning sunlight are good for your bones also. Right there. It's our breakfast today. So lunchtime, rice and mungus. Right there. Ikan boys! Sanang puso at isipan, pari-pari ng kapag. Malayo ba yan? Gusto mo aking mata. Girls are playing badminton now. Say hi! It's Zumba time! Right, DJ? Breakfast time.
God is too wise to be mistaken. God is too good to be unkind.
Time, fritada and rice. Let's eat our lunch. We are very well fed here. The foods are great, the foods are healthy, the food are very delicious. Mga ate guys, ever put this food in the food that we eat here at the facility deserves to be promoted. So today it's Jason's birthday and I made him a sandwich. Cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Time check, it's already 4 p.m. and the weather is not good. It's raining outside. And look at the sky, it's gray. Yeah, a good time to sleep, right? For God so loved the world that He gave His only Son, whosoever believes not perish, they shall have eternal. Breakfast for day 4.
Simula't muli ng aking pag-ibig. Ikaw ang binibining na ninanais ko, binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay ibang habang buhay na ito.
Yeah, third milk tea. Time check, it's already 5 and it's still raining. Time check, it's already 5 a.m. and it's super cold and I can't sleep back because it's too cold. Too cold. Happy Independence Day, everyone. Today it's Ate birthday also, and we hope and wish that she will have a happy quarantine birthday right here at the facility. Happy breakfast. Beef flour, rice, bread, and milk. Go, Tita Lynn! Go! Happy birthday! Go, Astilan! Pastilan sa radyo! Go, Tita Lynn! Happy birthday sa ngayon, no? Request! Pastilan, no? Breakfast time. Thing is, I bought this book last 2017 and found out that there's a letter inside and I don't know what it is. It says rule number 1 and maybe some rules. Maybe it's fun to read, so I'll read it later. I'm ready to find out what this guy struggles, and yeah, maybe, yeah, I'll just read it later. And it's lunchtime again. Pansit, of course, long life. And today I don't feel like going outside our room. I'm just lying here in my bed, watching Netflix and chill. And also I've read half of Every Young Man's Battle by Stephen Otterburn and Fred Stoker. I'm halfway through it. Maybe I'm going to finish it tomorrow or maybe the other day. But I hope it would be a good book to read. It's very vocal. It's breakfast time. We have shrimp, chorizo, and kimchi. Yay, yay, yay. Rainy Sunday, everyone. Lunchtime guys, so we have tinolang isda and some leftovers kanina buntag chorizo. Yay! It has been a week since we arrived here at the quarantine facility, and so far, so good. And first of all, we just want to thank our Mayor Roxanne Pimentel, and to all the frontliners and members of the staff here at the quarantine facility who took care of us, who provided for us the things that we needed here at the facility. And also, we're grateful and thankful for our um, barangay tanods who's keeping us in safety. Maybe I will be ending this video here. So this will be the part 1 of what is it like to be in a quarantine facility. So don't forget to subscribe and wait for the next video or the next week video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye. Hey guys, if you've come this far of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I just want to update you all how I'm doing, how we are doing. Well, it has been 2 weeks since we left the quarantine facility, and I'm finally done with my 14-day home quarantine. Last Saturday we took the rapid test and all of us got a negative result. Thank you for praying for us. Thank you for praying with us. And we continue to pray for those who are greatly affected by the COVID, by the spread of the virus. And we continue to pray for our government. We pray for wisdom as they decide on what's best for the people in this time of pandemic. And we continue to pray also for the frontliners, for our doctors, nurses, medtechs, everyone that is working in the hospital right now 24/7. We pray for strength, that God will sustain them in their work and in their field. It's not bad to pray to God to lessen our sufferings. Perhaps, but we pray for first that God would use us in this time of pandemic or in this time of circumstances for His glory. That we put our trust in Him, that we humble ourselves to Him, and trust in His sovereign plan for His people, because we know that all is working for the good of His people and for the ultimately for the glory. That's it guys for this video. If you are just a disclaimer guys, maybe you're wondering I am not wearing my mask. Wow, I left it in the house, but no worries because there's no, yeah, I know it's a protocol, Harvey, but as you can see, I'm alone in this place. Yeah, it's still 5 a.m. in the morning, and I'm very close to our house. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below. In shaking you remain unmoved and unafraid forever.